I came in. I know you wanna get to know me, but honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to another edition of Shine with Ariel. So if it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. This is where we talk a little bit of beauty, fashion and lifestyle, everything else besides nursing. So if you have not subscribed already, you're missing out on a lot of fun. So make sure that you hit that subscription button for me, and don't forget to comment, like and share this video as well. So before we get into the detail, let's talk a little bit about this brand name or luxury or designer bag, however you may call them. So let's think. They cost quite a lot, yes, but are they worth it? Some of them are and some of them are not. Let me give you a little hint. Do you know how you get these bags without causing no trouble in your relationship? Number one rule: make sure you have that personal account, incognito bank account that has nothing to do with the one that pays the bills. That is maybe your saving account, or even away from your saving account, I should say. Like, they should have nothing related together. So let me put it this way: we healthcare providers, we love overtime. So when you're picking your overtime, or when you're making that little extra money on the side, make sure that you put in the one that's gonna go for your bag and your shoes somewhere where it has nothing to do with your bills, somewhere where nobody else see what's going on in that account. So when you go ahead and pull that money and buy a handbag, it should not affect your bills at all. I mean, mortgage, rent, whatever, everything is paid, and that money got nothing to do with your basic needs of living. So that's what I mean. So make sure you have that, because regardless how great that relationship is, trust me, when this man see that bunch of money come out of the zoop for one item, it is a problem. So number one rule: find however that money is gonna go to that bag without anybody else witness it. Second, once you buy that bag, before it get delivered, make sure you home on the day of the delivery, or make sure that UPS or FedEx guy really know where to put that package so nobody else sees it. Or you go pick it up at the UPS office. Once you pick it up, that package has to stay in your car. When it gets to the house, trust me, by the time they realize it, well, we can't return it anymore. Yeah. Bottom line, every lady needs at least one designer bag, like at least one luxury one, and preferably black, because you all know black goes with everything. So anytime that you need a bag, pull your black one and you get to go. So let me introduce to you the latest from Valentino, Maison Valentino. So we have this beautiful canvas iconographic bag, obsessive and unique and exaggerated. That's how they call it. So this is basically an inspiration from the 70s fashion that we're bringing back. So Valentino has brought their own. This is La Deuxième from the Toile Iconographe La Petite Deuxième, because you have La Petite, no, you have La Deuxième, that is the brown one, and you have La Petite Deuxième, which is the red one. So this is what we got. Beautiful. Oh my god, I am so in love with this. So let's get into the details. It is so hard to tell how big some of these bags are when you're looking at them online. So I came up with a little trick, because I grew up with centimeter all my life till America decided to feed me inches. So I have no clue, unless I get a paper and convert it back in centimeter, I can tell you exactly how big that bag is gonna be. But at the same time, sometimes it really doesn't make sense the way they look like. So I came up with a simple basic way of figuring out how it's gonna go. And watch. this is the basic roller that I have. I use this roller in school even though my math skills are poor, but at least I know what this look like. So when you say online that, okay, this bag is 20 centimeter, I'm looking, so we starting from here and we ending right here, so 20 centimeters. So I know exactly how long that bag is gonna be. If you say it's gonna be maybe 10 centimeter deep, I go like this, so 10 we right here. So it's up to you. You decide like how long, wide, deep, whatever the bag is gonna be, based on a simple ruler, whatever you can use for you to be able to measure that, so you know exactly what that handbag is gonna look like once you pick it up. All of that on the side, let's talk about the particular one that we're here for today. So today we're talking about the La Deuxième handbag from Maison Valentino. So this is a bag that we're talking about. So this is the small La Deuxième from the La Toile Iconographe Collection from Maison Valentino. The name is French, so yes, it's called La Toile Iconographe. I don't know why they went French though, but anyway, I love the name. This is what the bag itself look like. Weight wise, we're talking about 1.2 pound. Length from here to here, 26. From here to here, we're talking about 6, and from here to here is a 14. But even though with those numbers, it kind of like fall a little bit below, because I believe after the cut and the sewing they did lose about 1 centimeter on each side. But overall, it is a pretty nice, cute bag for fall. It is a shoulder bag, or you can carry it as your handbag. So basically we go like this as a handbag, and if you want to go shoulder, we have a strap of 50 centimeter that you can attach to it. Basically they're representing the icon. That's what we have here. All this is leather, and Napa leather. That's the best leather that you can have, like top quality. Number one, the most durable leather that you can have is Napa leather. So this is Napa. That's what we got. So you see why the price is that high. So you have a very durable leather on this bag. Okay, so we also have a magnetic closure, and I actually like the design here. It is so unique and pretty, and if you close it, you actually think it's going inside, but it's just resting right there. So that's what we have. They have a little bit of design here because it looks like the bag is big, but it's kind of, now it's just like a design part of it that you have. So it looks big, but actually this is the real size of the bag itself, because it doesn't go that big. Inside you have like this, you have a slip pocket that you can put your cards or whatever. Then here where you can put everything else. So you can see it is not that deep, but it is a small bag, very handy when you need it for fall. The strap right here, we have a Valentino logo on it, and it's actually adjustable. So this is how it goes. You have pin right here, you pull it. If you want it longer or shorter, if you want it longer, you have to push it down and put it back in right there. So it kind of like went a little higher. But if you want it shorter, which I will do, so we are gonna put it up to the last one. So this is what we end up with. Once you put it on a small one, that means you make the strap really small. This is what we got, and it's actually pretty handy. That's why I like it. I love it because it's like very casual for you and very handy when you need it. It's not gonna hold that much thing for you, but for fall, yes. Okay, so we add the strap, and here you go. and you're good. So easy when you're on a busy day, you put it like that as a shoulder bag and you go about your errands. When you're running for you to go to dinner and now we're late, so we're turning into a small clutch, a small handbag that you can just go with. Or you can actually put this like this as well, which is not bad. I like it though. Nice pick. And it is a beautiful bag, I can tell. What do I like about it? I love the leather part of it. The reason why I picked this one is because of the color, red color. I have this thing about bags. When I'm buying bags these days, I have to look around and see which color I don't have. As much as I love black, it ends up being the first color that I don't pick, because I feel like if I don't have black, I run out tomorrow, I am gonna find a black bag. But when you start looking for color, they are so hard to find that I'm like, anytime that I have to decide between black and color, I'll pick the color. Black can't wait. So I picked the red one, and this one, that was the reason why I picked it. How much did this bag cost? So right now, most of the retailers don't even have it yet. Like, they don't have it. Those big like Saks Fifth Avenue, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, they haven't get this yet. So if you want to buy it, you have to go directly to either Valentino, find one of their stores to go and go get it, or you have to order it online. Mine came from online, of course, so I'm an online girl. This particular one is listed at $3,400 without tax. So by the time you add your taxes to it, it costs you $500. I wish. It costs you $3,580. Yeah, it's a little bit pricey. Well, it is pricey, period. Is it worth investing in this? Yes, because these bags, they're not going nowhere. Number one, the price is not gonna go anywhere. Matter of fact, handbags these days, the price has been increasing, like inflation. Even your bags have inflated, so either you buy it now or you are gonna pay a higher price to get it. So if you a handbag collector like myself, pick one of these and keep it for yourself. Once you're tired of it, you can put it back on the market and just take your money out of it as you wish. Maybe a few years from now, you can do that. So they're always on investment. The other thing about it is, just like I said, this particular leather is going nowhere. You can carry this forever. It's basically compared to the leather that you have in your car. Do you see how many times you had to sit on it before it start wearing off? Basically, that's what you have. Is it gonna carry scratches? Yes. This kind of bag, you don't put them nowhere. Like, you have to take care of them. They don't go nowhere near there should be scratch. Like, it has to be handled delicately. That's what you do. Either you keep it on the bus or you put it on the shelf somewhere where no one can go near it, because this is a lot of money and that's an investment. What else do I like about it? I love the color. I said that. I like the straps though, that you can make it a handbag and a shoulder bag all together at the same time. It's 2-in-1 basically, and those are the type of bag that you need when the water is getting cold, because you don't want to be carrying like this while you're freezing. So you have your strap and you're good to go. All right, very nice bag. When you try to make it a shoulder bag, this is what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to put this particular strap inside. Okay, so you're gonna have to put it inside, and this is what we got, which actually turned it pretty cute though, because I really didn't like that big strap out there. So this is what I turned it into. We put it inside, you close it, and you have now your shoulder bag. I think I like it better this way. Once I put the top handle in, it look prettier. That's what we got, and it is pretty practical. So I love my new bag. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, and you guys feel free to let me know what you think about the bag. I want to say it in the comment box. My only problem with this bag is just too much of a logo. Like, this is too much. It is good. It is good for commercial, but I just feel like it's a little bit too much, even though we call it to be unique, but this is a little bit too much. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.